Hello everyone, my name is Harshal. In this video, I'm going to talk about BMC ProActiveNet Performance Manager 9.6 Fixpack 1. We have released the first fixpack for BPPM 9.6. The fixpack concept is pretty new to BPPM, so I thought it would be worth a quick video to describe what is in fixpack 1 and why it is must in your environment. Also its highlights. So let us begin to know what is fixpack. A fixpack addresses product defects found in the environment. It also includes new features as the key requirement is to preserve stability of the current product. But then why a fixpack? The reason for this is that it contains fixes for critical customer raised defects. It also resolves known issues and workaround, and moreover, this fixpack updates your system to the most current code base. Being on the current code base is very important because that's where BMC focuses on fixing problems first. Another important reason is environment is more optimized and stable when compared to previous state where there is an issue related to data integrity and failover performances. Now let's talk about key defects we have fixed in fixpack 1. To begin with, we have fixed many defects, and the highlight of the fixes are cell, CMA, operations console, and database. You can get more information on the exact number of defects in the documents known and corrected issues. So let me begin with the first component, that is cell. Here we have addressed few defects including crash, where 10 plus cell crash issues were reported are fixed, cell performance, where intermittently cell process is consuming 100% CPU, and high availability issues with secondary cell are now resolved. Moving on to the second component now, which is CMA. In this, we have fixed the key defects with integration service and petrol agent synchronization. Listing few defects which can cause major impact were QM345. It addresses the inconsistency in showing status of the integration service in CMA console. QM547 fixes synchronization issues observed between cell and child servers affecting the actual status of the integration service and petrol agents. We have also seen CMA policy configuration issues where rules and policies are not getting applied frequently on petrol agents. So here's a list of some important defects which are now resolved. QM349, CMA policy is taking long time to get applied. QM755, performance issue observed on BPPM server while applying the policies. QM347, the CMA precedence rules are not applied correctly. The next component, which I believe is also important for user experience, is operations console. Here we have fixed the performance issues with user interface. Key defects are QM306, QM451, and QM975, which will majorly enhance the user experience and their day-to-day operations. We have also fixed the hierarchy issues where monitors lose their structure automatically after getting discovered in BPPM. I'm sure you'll be glad with the inclusion of this fix. Moving to the next category of defects is monitoring solutions. Here we have fixed defects observed while configuring policies using the default repository. QM055 will fix the odd behaviors observed during auto group creation and host groups on VMware WebSphere. QM084 will address the incorrect hierarchy display issues on CMA while configuring a policy for the VMware WebSphere monitoring solution. Next component is database. In database, we have fixed the pruning issues which could cause improper growth of BPPM database. QMs 160 and 317 talks about pruning tables where partitioning limit is not specified correctly. Next category of defects is miscellaneous operations. A few components in this category are rate and self-monitoring. QM838 addresses issues observed with rate force closing configuration attribute update events for monitor type instances, and QM457 addresses the self-monitoring problem and some critical issues observed when petrol agents collecting performance data was seen in MFD report. Secondly, we have also fixed integration issues with LDAP and SSO. For LDAP, QM056 will fix the intermittent LDAP authentication issue, and QM608 will provide the ability to upgrade BPPM 9.0 on 9.5 users with SSO already integrated. Lastly, we have fixed the email to event problem. This is defect where feature stops working if there is any email with no subject. It is primarily addressed for end users who are using this feature in their environment for converting emails with high importance to events. Final category of defects is petrol agents. Here we have fixed data collection and consolidation issues for petrol agents. QM 948 consolidates two petrol agents with the same name running on different port, and QM 673 addresses hierarchy issues with respect to groups created through VMware WebSphere monitoring solution. We have also fixed the petrol agent failover issue in QM 999, where petrol agent did not switch back to active integration node in CMA when CMA server is restarted. In the next slide, I have shared the documentation for Fixpack 1. It contains instructions on downloading and installing Fixpack 1 on a Windows and Linux environment. Please note, it is recommended to install Fixpack 1 with latest hotfix on top, as this provides solution for items unable to be addressed with Fixpack 1. In the last slide, we have answered some frequently asked questions with respect to installation of Fixpack 1. First is the order of installation. The Fixpack should be installed in the following order. Upgrade CMDB extensions to Fixpack 1 on CMDB server. Then upgrade the ProactiveNet server. Next, upgrade all the integration services in your environment. And lastly, upgrade the remote admin console. There's also a few post-installation steps mentioned in the documentation for your reference. Next query is how to backup the BPPM server for Fixpack 1. For installing Fixpack 1, it is recommended to take a backup of the entire PW directory when BPPM server is stopped. This will help you restore your BPPM server to present state in case the Fixpack installation fails with minimal downtime. A complete revision of the snapshot will also work. Lastly, recommendations to apply. BPPM server and integration service should both be on the same Fixpack, as otherwise this results in inconsistency in the behavior of the product. This concludes the Fixpack video. Thank you all for watching. I hope this helps.